model car dudes, I want to talk to you about something cool for your workbench, or maybe even as a collectible. You know, there are a lot of tools that we can't do without on our workbench. Paint, for example. Paint brushes. Glue. I like glue, man. You know, there's many things that we can and we can't live without. One of the big things for me, man, is hobby knife. So, model car dudes, in paying tribute to our favorite tool, hobby knife, Hippie Dude Industries is proud for a limited time only to offer you the collectible Little Luka. Let me show you his features, man. It cuts plastic. It cuts wood. It even cuts metal. Little Luka hobby knife's also great for cutting the cheese, man. And you know, dudes, how most of us just have that moment that you just want to cut a napkin. Well, the Little Luka is up to the task. And the Little Luka collectible hobby knife will cut so much more. And it's endorsed by Hobby Dude 007.
What? No.
Don't miss out on this limited time offer. We here at Hippie Dude Industries give it a thumbs up.
Don't settle for your regular hobby knife when you can have the Little Luka as part of your workbench. Coming soon, the Big BG. You'll give it 2 thumbs up. Little Luka hobby knife and the Big BG will be available soon when we can find a hobby shop that will carry them.